Today, I'm in the popular residential area of Bathpool to show you this newly decorated 3-bedroom semi-detached family home, benefiting from allocated parking and a low-maintenance rear garden, also ready for tenants to move in straight away. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome home. So, if you like the look of this property and you would like to arrange a viewing, or if you're a landlord and you have a property of your own that you're looking for a rental valuation on, please do get in touch.